This video from Sam4S Help, we're going to quickly demonstrate how to back up your programming on the Sam4S SPS2200 touchscreen till. Obviously this is a crucial thing to do. If your machine develops a problem and needs resetting, then it takes seconds to load a program backup if you've got one. If you haven't got one, it takes hours or days to reprogram your till. So it's really easy to do, but it's also really easy to get wrong and cause yourself more problems. So please watch this video all the way through and then make sure you understand the process in its entirety before you start carrying it out yourself. So you need a USB stick, so I've got one of those, and then if we tilt the machine, on the underside where all the ports are, there's a couple of USBs there, so just pop the USB stick in. It doesn't matter which one. Then you need the service mode, so you may have to log in. I'm already logged in. So service mode, so press the S button here. S mode password, pop in your password for the S mode. OK, and then program backup is here. Choose your backup method. I always use USB. Then you need to give it a name, so we go for new. Type in your name. OK, call it something memorable rather than just, so I've gone for the name of the pub, and then OK. You then need to select it, and because I've only got one backup, it's already selected it, so that's fine. So then we can go open, and then program backup USB. So you just want to make sure now that you don't restore the program, because if you restore the program, which is this one, restore program from USB, you're going to wipe the till if you've got no, or put someone else's programming onto the till. So you want backup program to USB. Press that once. Are you sure? Yes. And it comes up and confirms backup program to USB. It'll take a few seconds to do it, and then it will come up with a screen confirming whether it's had any problems, but if it's gone well, it'll just be a screen with lots of OKs on. When it's done, then go close, reg, just double check everything's there as it was, and that's the backup done. So you've now got a backup on your USB. The sensible thing to do now is to remove the USB, put it in your PC, and then store a copy of the folders, the whole folders, not just the little backup, the whole USB onto your PC, so you've then got a double backup and you're double protected. Okay, I hope that video has been helpful. We've got plenty more videos, some of which will be appearing on screen now, showing you how to get the best out of the Sam4S cash registers. Feel free to check those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sam4shelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.